Hello guys, my name is Ajay Kashyap and I am graphic design and UX trainer at Brillica Services. I'm here to guide you how to create complex effect easily. So let's start from Photoshop with pixel stretch effect. So this is a beautiful pixel stretch effect. So let's recreate this effect. Let's start. We need one image. Okay, we are on our layer panel. Unlock your layer, then duplicate it. Remove background of upper layer. Click on your image thumbnail. Now make a selection of thin part of your image. Too much thin part. Make more thin. And now it's perfect. And press Ctrl J on your keyboard. Then press Ctrl T. And then stretch it with your Shift key. Click on correct. Now click on filter. Then go to the start. Then color coordinates. Click on OK. Now you have to adjust it. Click on your eraser tool. Then start removing according to your requirement. You can create this beautiful effect. So thank you very much. Thanks for watching.